Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Jyoti from Angie and Joe's channel, and today's video is going to be about makeup. So if you are someone who wants to know what should be there in your makeup kit, or if you are a beginner and you do not know what should be there in your makeup kit, or you are someone who's very confused after seeing so many YouTube channels and you don't know that actually what should I buy, what should I not buy, should I invest in so many products at this time when I'm just learning to apply makeup, or I don't know what all should I keep in my makeup kit. So this video is for you. So today I'm going to tell you about 10 products that should be there in any beginner's makeup kit. I am not using many products because again, you are a beginner, you won't need all of the products, but as you advance you can use these same products to take a step forward. So let's start with product number 1, that is a primer. So before you put primer, it is the basic need that you cleanse your skin properly, apply a good amount of moisturizer on your skin and prepare your skin for makeup. So once that step is done, the next thing you should buy is a good primer. A primer hydrates your skin and make it ready for the makeup, and since most of the makeups are powdery and all that thing, so it makes your skin dry. So when you apply a good moisturizer and a good primer, it keeps your skin hydrated. So when you apply a good primer, your makeup doesn't crack after you apply it and your pores doesn't get clogged, because most of the time we see that when your pores get clogged, that's when your skin develop that acne and all other skin problems. So yes, a primer is a must. Many people feel that if you are applying a moisturizer cum primer cream, then primer is not necessary. I would not say that. Primer is a very good product. You should actually buy a good primer and it should be there in your kit. So this is the first step, first product in your makeup kit. Okay. So the next product that you should have in your makeup kit as a beginner is a good foundation. A good foundation, there are some criteria to select a good foundation. Number 1, which brand you are checking. Number 2, your skin type. And number 3, and most importantly, your skin shade. So always buy a foundation which is matching with your skin tone. So if you are not aware with what is your skin tone and how to select a proper foundation, you can go to a store and ask for an executive to help you out with it. But now, since it's a lockdown and everything, and many stores are not allowing walk-ins and all, so what you can do is you can go to Nykaa's website, and there is a foundation chooser. You can select your foundation from that foundation chooser in Nykaa. Let us know in case you want us to do a video on that. So yes, the product number 2, which is an essential thing in your makeup kit, is a good foundation. Okay, so the third product that you should have in your makeup kit is a good concealer. A concealer should always be a shade lighter than your foundation. A concealer is a must have in your makeup kit because it will be helpful to cover your under eyes darkness, or to highlight your T-zone areas, and also to cover up anything on your face which is little darker than your shade. So yes, for all these things, a concealer is a must have in your kit. The number 4th product that you should have is this kind of a beauty blender. So what all products, the foundation, concealer, whatever you applied on your face, this single blender will help you to blend those things on your face. So I'm not telling you to buy lots of brushes because there are lots of brushes to confuse you. So if you will buy just one beauty blender, it can do your work. So the number 4th product is a good beauty blender. Next thing that you should have in your makeup kit is a good compact powder. This will help you to set your concealer and also your T-zone areas, and if you are too much of oily skin and you sweat a lot, so in that case your compact will be very much useful. Okay, so the next 3 products that you should have in your makeup kit are eye makeup products. So the first thing that you will need is brow pencil. A brow pencil is usually to give shape to your eyebrows. So it will have a pencil and it will have a spoolie on the other side, which will help you to brush up your brows and give them proper shape. So this is a must have in your makeup. So while buying a brow pencil, make sure that you do not buy black color, because black color looks very artificial and it doesn't give the natural look to your brows. Always go for a dark brown color. It gives a natural look to your brows and it looks good and very natural. The next thing that you should have in your makeup kit for eyes is a good liner. If you are using kajal, that is also fine. So either go for a kajal or a liner for your kajal, your kajal and those winged eyes and all. So for that, either go for a kajal or a liner. So the 8th product that you should have in your makeup kit is a eyeshadow palette with all the basic colors. These are not very expensive. I got this from Amazon and it is very nice and pigmented eyeshadow palette. So if you see, it has all the basic colors and the pigments are also really good. I am using this from last 1.5 months and it has very nice colors. And also once you move ahead and you start applying makeup and you want to go for blush and contour and all those things, for that also this eyeshadow palette can be useful, because you can use these brown colors for your contouring, and then you can use the pinks and the light colors for your blush as well. So yes, this eyeshadow palette, which is basic, can be useful when you also apply your blush or contour, because these can work for contour and blush as well. So yes, a good eyeshadow palette is a must have in your makeup kit. 9th and most important product in your makeup kit, without which you will never feel that your makeup is complete, and that is your lipstick, lip colors. So you can never have enough lipsticks because there are so many shades. So what I would suggest, that instead of buying a single lipstick and then again going for the next one when you want other shade, it's better to actually have these kind of lipstick palettes. These comes in 6 shade. I got this from Nykaa and it has 6 shades, and these shades are very nice and pigmented. So there are browns and pinks. So you can buy these kind of lipstick palettes. They are very useful because it has many shades. You don't have to buy too many lipsticks for that. So yes, this is the 9th product that you should have in your makeup kit. Last but not the least, one of the most important product that you should have, because once you apply all these makeup and if you go out and your makeup just wash out, this is not a good sign. So you should have a good setting spray which will keep your makeup at its place, and it will not go off when you go out and when you sweat a lot. So yes, a good setting spray is very much essential. I have this one from Wet n Wild. So these were our top 10 products that you should have in your makeup kit. These are the basic essential makeup things that you should have as a beginner in your makeup kit. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Give your opinions in the comment section below, and that's it from our side. Bye bye.